So this is the path of least resistance, and we have some hellebore or Lenten roses coming up. Come down here. Don't see any shoots. Oh, we have an astilbe shoot right down there. So in our daylilies, we have some shoots coming up. This is the future and incoming pollinator garden that we started to establish in the fall. Lots of weeds. But if we walk over here, you can see we have some daffodils coming up. And sometimes we get closer. Oh, do you guys see those? That's Monarda or bee balm. It's one of our huge pollinator plants here. Shall we take a walk into Pap's garden? So today I'll be working outside and starting to clear some leaves. Let's see if I can get in here.